Hello students, today I am here with relation function part first for class 11th. Before we define relation, we must understand about Cartesian product of sets, and before that we define ordered pair. What is an ordered pair? An ordered pair consists of two elements in a given fixed order. Here this term is important, fixed order. It means if you write A comma B, that means A will be at the first place and B at the second. We cannot write them by interchanging them, means writing A in place of B and vice versa. As you do this before going to school, you first wear socks, after that you wear shoes, that is also an ordered pair. You cannot first wear shoes and after that socks. So this is the example to understand about ordered pairs. Now there is a note: two ordered pair will be equal only if their respective elements are equal. It means if A comma B is equal to x comma y, then we must have A is equal to x and B is equal to y, otherwise these pairs will not be equal. Now student, let's define Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian product of sets is the collection of all ordered pairs found between relations in sets A and B. So we write Cartesian product as A cross B. These both A and B are non-empty sets, and it is equal to A comma B, where A belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B. If any of them is an empty set, that is phi, then their Cartesian product will be an empty set. That means it will be phi. Have a look at an example. Here we have A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to 3, then A cross B is equal to 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 3. Total number of element is 2. Now Cartesian product of three sets. In three sets we can write A comma B comma C, where first element belongs to A, second belongs to B and third one belongs to C. Now number of elements in Cartesian product is equal to number of elements in set A into number of elements in set B. Similarly, we can find number of elements in A cross B cross C is equal to number of elements in A multiplied by number of elements in B multiplied by number of elements in C. So this is the number of elements in Cartesian product. Now diagrammatic representation of Cartesian product of two sets. In this section we shall understand about how can we visually represent Cartesian product of two sets. First we have written set A and after that set B. A has elements 1 and 2 and B has only one element, that is 3. 1 will be related to 3 and 2 will be related to 3. So we can write it 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 3. This is Cartesian product of A cross B, A and B. I think you understood this. Now move to exercise 2.1 of your NCERT book. Question number first. If x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 upon 3, find x comma y. Students, as you know, two ordered pairs will be equal only if their respective elements are equal. So here we equate corresponding elements. X upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3, y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. Now after solving these two, we get x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So this is first question. Now take another question, that is question number 3 of your NCERT book. Here G is equal to 7 comma 8, H is equal to 5 comma 4 comma 2. Find G cross H and H cross G. G cross H is equal to 7 comma 2, 8 cross 5 4 2. After finding their Cartesian product, we get this one, and in case 2, H cross G is equal to this one. I think you understood this. Now move to question number 5. A is equal to minus 1 comma 1, then find A cross A. So first find A cross A, and this is A cross A. Now take this Cartesian product of A cross A to A. So we wrote this. Now after finding Cartesian product, we get this. Now we can verify total number of elements. Number of elements in A2, so it will be 2 raised to power 3 because all the sets are equal. So number of elements will also be equal, which is equal to 8, and we got total elements 8. Now move to another example, that is 9. Let A and B be two sets such that number of elements in A is 3 and number of element in B is 2. If x comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1 are in A cross B, find A and B where x, y, z are distinct elements. Obviously A has 3 elements, and if we look at first element of respective order pairs is x comma y, x, y, z. So A will have elements x comma y comma z, and B, in B there are 2 elements. Here we can see this is 1, this is 2, this is 1. It is repeat of 1. So we take only ones as we did in sets. So B has 2 elements, that is 1 comma 2. I think you found this video useful, and if you understand the concept of Cartesian product, then keep practicing exercise 2.1 and other question. Thank you very much.